So we're going to look at multiples of matrices, and we've got an example here of a column matrix describing what's in a pantry. So there's 6 cans of peaches, 4 cans of apricots, and 8 cans of pears. You can see that's represented by this matrix here, 6, 4, 8. Now if we were to double the cans in the matrix, basically if we wanted to then know how many of each cans would have, we would double each of those values. So 6 would be doubled to get 12, 4 would be doubled to get 8, and 8 would be doubled to get 16. So we can actually multiply matrices or find multiples of matrices. So for example, we have matrix A here. We've got 1, 2, 5, 2, 0, 1. Now if I wanted to find 3A, it would just be a matter of multiplying each of the individual components by 3. So here we've got matrix A is this. If I want to know what 3A is, I would say 3A is equal to 3 times our matrix A, which is 1, 2, 2, 0, 5, 1. And like I said, it then just becomes a matter of multiplying each component of the matrix by that multiplier. So you do 3 times 1, which gives you 3, 3 times 2, which gives you 6, 3 times 5 gives you 15, 3 times 2 gives you 6, 3 times 0 gives you 0, 3 times 1 gives you 3. Or part B, if you wanted to do half of A, it's exactly the same, except for now you multiply by a half instead of multiplying by 3. So this would be a half times our original matrix A. So I'll just write out A again. Now if I multiply each value by half, that's essentially just dividing each of those values by 2. So half of 1 becomes a half. Half of 2 is just 1. Half of 5 is 2.5, or 2.5. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 0 is 0. Half of 1 is a half. So that's all there is to it. So if you were to apply this to the questions that you've already been doing, like you've been doing addition of, I don't know, maybe you've been having A plus B, and you've been just adding the two matrices by adding the components. Now they might give you a question where they give you 2A plus B. So first you'd multiply all of the components in A by 2, and then you can add it to matrix B. Alright, so it's just kind of a progression of where we've come from.